How to enable developer option on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you want access to the developer settings on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then here is how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable the developer option, go ahead and open up the settings app from your phone and then scroll down a little bit or to the very bottom and then go and tap on about phone. And inside the about phone, you just need to scroll down a little bit and then go ahead and tap on software information. Just go ahead and tap on this and this will get to see all the software information. So you just need to go ahead and tap 7 times on the build number. So just keep pressing until it says you are in the developer options, and this will ask you to enter your phone passcode. So just go ahead and enter the phone passcode here and then go and tap on continue, and now here it says developer mode has been turned on. That means the developer option has been enabled. Just get back to the main settings of your phone, and inside the main settings, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll get to see the new option has been added, developer option. You can tap on this and you can access to the developer settings of your phone. And this is how you can enable the developer option on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.